Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Okay, I'm so excited because today in Feather Family was added a new bird which is Rhea, which I really like in real life. And it is big and stuff, and yeah. So Rhea is big like an emu, I think so. I don't know I know that it is big, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know really like how long does it grow, you know? It's, oh my god, I know where we are. Oh my god, why do I have black? Okay, it is better. Okay. Oh my god, how cute is it running? Oh my god, look at that, how cute that is. Um, it's literally like a baby chick when, or like a grown hen, which is running. Like, look at that. I'm looking like a baby emu, I think. But yeah, let's see the actions and stuff. Okay, the calling. Oh, do you see the animation of the leg and stuff? Oh, like a. It sounds like a dog screaming for help. Oh my god. Said. Oh, I love eating like always, like every bird, I think. Okay, and the eyes. Okay, but so cute the feet. Look at the. Oh my god, how cute the feet are when they're jumping. Oh my goodness, how cute. Don't judge me or anything, but I love this bird. It's looking like an emu and like the ostrich, but it is cool. And I love the name and all. Literally, I know the trees were updated. The grassland, which I don't know where the heck that is. Some trees. The emu was kind of, what the heck was that? The emu was updated. Like, you can see the trees were updated and stuff. You know? Actions, please. Oh, it sounds like a. I didn't even knew how it does it. Oh my god, stop running. Okay, hear that. Oh god. Okay, I love that. Did animation, which is looking like an ostrich, not gonna lie or anything. I, yeah, it's kind of ostrich like. Ah, let's dance. He's dancing. I'ma play as an emo too, so. What the heck is this? Oh my god. Oh, but I love the feathers. They're trying to make new birds with new feathers and all type of all type of new things like accessories and stuff. I love how the pride is like looking like a pride rock or something, you know? Oh my god, they changed the trees. Oh my god, look at that. I hate the new trees, the new apple trees. But it's just cute. Like, this is really cute though. I don't know why I'm eating and moving, but okay. I love the new tree, but like the old tree. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? I look at this shit. Oh my god. Okay, I know in real life that this looks like this, but the old apple tree and the new apple tree, literally. Look at that, the difference. And like the old banana thing, banana tree and the new banana tree is the worst. Oh my god. Yeah, let's go to, I don't know. Maybe just running around here or something, I don't know. Oh my god. Let's see the maybe tree. I don't know. I haven't played this game for a while, like for I don't know, 2 weeks. Maybe kind of. But it's alright, isn't it? Let's go to. I was used to like the buttons to be the teleport button right here, and I'm like every time going to press over here or somewhere here, just because I'm used to it, the teleport button to be here, and every teleport button, where do you want to teleport to? Like instead of being here, being literally in front of your screen, you know, and being like here. Come on, teleport. But literally, look, oh my god, look at that, like when it's running and stuff. Oh my god, I have lag, bruh, fuck this. When it's running, it's looking like, if I don't have lag anymore, please. Literally, when it's running, you know. Stuff is looking like a all straight. Yeah, let's see the new all streak. I mean all streak. Oh my. I mean emu. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? I'm really sorry for the old birds. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. I'm literally very sorry about the new emu. Look at this. The old emu was better than this shit. Look at this. Oh my god. I haven't played for a while, but still look at this shit. Oh my god. They literally, look at that, it's not even on the ground. Do you see that? It's not even on the ground. I hate this. It's looking like shit. Emu is looking like shit right now. The old emu was better. I do have a photo with it, so I'm gonna put it around here or somewhere. But literally, the new emu is trash. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I've played with that bird for like some minutes, you know? And I really like the bird. I recommend you if you want a big bird to play with. So yeah, I don't even know. Like, it is looking like a ostrich and an emu, but like, it is okay. Like, it's really cool. The bird is cool, you know. If you want a bird, like a big bird, and which looks like an ostrich, but it isn't an ostrich, you know. If you want to, you can play with. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Dis-moi qui est cette Jacqueline? Pourquoi te fait-elle souffrir? J'habite en jalousie.